Viewers katongali the Tangkhul Geoscience Forum we shalam midale. Last year in the month of November, ishin career guidance program singajne. Chile we have covered a lot of areas starting from hospitality, fine art, music, sciences, humanities, medical, engineering. Lishin rough salakina katong cover sak by sanaka ki career mamay le clergy shina Joey Maramli program singay. And we also shared some materials print out in a share saya chakumji. Ragazang pingatong liva ishna chi yaomi. Kakai kam razang la yaomi jitejin ishling hanrai. Nation share saya BDF na kakai ka kalikata sampangai laka ishili lamang hanra tu kateli lamang han tu bichilea ka at muivang ari video we description hili share samia sake atum na download ka samino ishina jakum last year career guidance program singa gai jili kai kana class 11 12 li program hi singa kai hi huinai dange mai mashungai 11 12 li ari career guidance program singa dakli hi it is a little bit late ka hui chao gai ba maning ne kai kana career ari 11 12 li confuse sa da ki sa ka para ki journey krisi dam chukle aga atmuivang da atmuivang tarkar sa re gi kasang le deshina program using the kane and the other way around we have made the lectures available on YouTube taka kai kana say class 6 7 bing na videos ji ang naka they can start to think right the taka atmuivang knowledge ji information ji maybe that's right on time taka atmuivang like katong sare and the other way around above na jing na hui laka kajaw na rabing ni kite kasa kala kajaw na rabing we confusion ji la clear sami ge shap sare just kasang le ji ne jena are we in hangai we link description link mi da clay ji download kasami no ji areas katong li the most katong most of the areas ka thang da cái gì mà làm như là cái bia sari road map liệt nghe sari chỉ ka download sa hui là ka chỉ ba khối năng số da nòng ra bình như là cái chỉ mi lo chỉ hàng ngày. Alright, now back to this video observation specific sa lakina geology li focus sa si ji gai ne jakum we have tried to cover a lot of areas. Ajikumba ajui video by geology ni specific salakina sa say deng ran the clinic. Daga hi this is not the end. This is the first episode by geology di focus sare we will try to reach out to experts from other fields and that is how we will try to move on. Jena ajui program ini ajui discussion ini da zatangai jine in the question kita nang ranai da klini ran guy question ji ajui panelist ajui discussion ini razang guy atam tingdi na han mire naka khanghan ne nang soda ali khanghan ne ji ne khang tharan ni pa jina khanghan kamilo and in today's discussion aji mi Batirang room the first is a graduate student, BSc Honors in Geology. Second, Geological Survey of India Lotsad le Kagathumali assistant professor agradant le committee public sector undertaking le kasang go saragai with an experience of more than 10 years ashimti razang de le jena atumni avave na introduce sami maman re ka atum hita the areas various age group in a ragazang hina viewers pingwang ba katong sare jish kasang le jena razang gai psychology la the Tangkhul Geoscience Forum we Ningapa Ningishingidele and they are all members of member of Tangkhul Geoscience Forum. Jenishina discussion hi jatwa paimaman paisa house. Firstly, Miss Somiyur saizali questioning hangai. How did you first come to know about geology? Geology ki subject ki uncommon ne dhyan. Why? Because we don't study geology as a subject in high school, class 11, 12. It's very rare. The geology ki nani nagata the first encounter rasa nani kipani introduce me ki jing nang rumgai. And let me introduce her. Somiyur Saizahi. She's she's in her 4th semester. BSc Honors in Geology, Ariari St. Anthony's College, Shillong, Meghalaya Tamdle. When she was in her 1st semester, she reached out to a few of us, and to me also in particular, and graduate kupai laka hitam rekala kejumram niya graduate kupai laka exam thagi jumram ning 100 sai. I was very impressed because in my case I was not thinking like that, but in her case najidadam chuktakle 1st semester in 6th semester kupai the exam thagi jibaji chuktakle ji thailaga. I was very impressed. Jena ache hilirazang milota ko thara nanrazang bivang ningshi. Then our question J, let me repeat once more. How did you first come to know about geology? Kajana kangan kamilo. Over to you.
Tumnida the mender the kaisang nishnai. Geology tamra the kapangui gai higher secondary tamlaga muchukuina we. In high school li tamjang the subject ki amingam shasamne. The higher secondary shapok na we ka shasai jilla ki tamlakle ka thalakle subject ki le jilla. Tada idea ki gamne samne. Kayo higher secondary ka tamni issue with physics oja tamsaye. And the teaching interesting sa kaya the Krajanta moina the Krajanta moina traga hangstay ilga tili geology ratai and the geology kuilga the Krajan moina has successful sa kai pin Krajan lahang the career sa kuira now the thara kisa paira hitam ga tili hangstay manda tili you geology tam khangai nimrana we ka jenny class 12 kupailga tada ki sikle da muchuke image ninga geology kure da muchuk sai ga ina da shimpu khanau pinglang han maman laga muchuk maman laga geology na phame re da ina u bachelor hi geology ka pangui ke ni
Issue discussion ni chatta maman de jena ara isi kakhni sada Leimiwon ni question ngan ngai alimang han rong naga Ali introduce me okay. I Goa University win a BSc Geology honors kupsangai. Naga University with topper lang sai. Naga juitili and IIT Bhubaneswar win a masters kupkuye. That is where I met her. Naga chi kupkui naga and Delhi University li Ramlal Anand College the assistant professor at Hokkien na jingum katumsa naga juitili. Last year, from Nani Saga Pongme. I'm sharing later the thing I'm about to say. Ada mi katam nob ni ta tang zeki Ashi College li Ashi College li we have a very young professor, and she looks like Ariana Grande. Chenara inadi atami migay. Chenara
Bye
question
bye.
question banava question banava. What are the subject combinations required to pursue a degree in geology? Degree as such, bachelor degree. BSc in geology ni ki subject mamay tamrumbay kile ji nanangahan kami ol.
Okay. Remigop da ningshi da adam kami bang. Itum geology hi subject ka thar sao ke da chung khamai na ma theng ne kha aroi itum na geology dam ngai ja dam chitran hi BA geology ma jim ne BSc honors geology ya. Chen hi honors paper ne geology da Hili tam khangai bing hina 11 12 le awi background by his science we background le promulgation ne. Chena arava CUT we exam CUT hi thasirau ke the all the central universities ro no or no state universities si wazam ro no CUT we exam hi thap promulgation ne. Chena CUT hi thara jatam jutran paper hi ka the key subject mamai hi chu sar ka ijha CUT li section kuthum sa le section 1 2 3 dia jena section 1 hi language hi compulsory ni itum geology khira je sala language ak wa jang from either manipuri or english la jang by hindi la jang by bengali thada around 33 languages offer sai CVT exam le the jena language ak jang from ra laka domain specific the section 2 lia jibaji na ka tha kha jikam nên là khi subject khuyên ngay hơi chịu chỉ số đâu có cái thùng hi 11 12 chung combine thật là geology by background mà lấy này chú vang ngay là option hi có thùng sát lấy BSc honors geology khuyên chứ có number one này nữa physics and chemistry hi là compulsory paper này nên là physics chemistry biology chỉ có thùng chi number one này number two physics chemistry mathematics biology jen biochemistry la or biotechnology la jang bai physics chemistry biology or biotechnology or biochemistry the purely no subject choose ka sa chu dia jen second option ban na physics chemistry mathematics yang applied no or advanced no the mathematics je jang e Kakutuma sada physics, chemistry, 11 12 geology ko kui lalaye. And geology, either geology or geography, the geokutum. Main sada geokutum jile. Jena CUT thara jay cover physics, chemistry, mathematics to sala or biology to sala, biotechnology sala, biochemistry sala, the jipin jay physics and chemistry was some progation. Gender section 3 CUT only section 3 by hin general general knowledge na le test ka san the ji subject hi ko dong kai thap rong gi ni che thai ka na le CSS ta ka le command allocation seat allocation ya ju we chili register sara ju at shoot on the way CUT we score we at shoot our ranking ju at shoot on the le the universities CUT li kazang array CUT na admission ku yi universities ping jeli no ranking wa should allocate some mangi then I hope I answered the question.
Nextly, ishina Mirinsing angkang win and nangum say. He did his MSc Tech from IIT ISM Dhanbad. He football kangrol ning sanake. I met him in Inter IIT Sports Meet 2019. Now mean ani nisam pangjine. Jena ana right after his masters ana UPSC GSI exam clear sani. Now mi ani na 2020 ni clear sana ka juiti ni ishitang ko na kate clear masarang Jena ari masters tam clay or graduate tam clay ping nila UPSC geologist exam hi ka concentrate sa milo ot ka sa itong nation building wibang la experience kajijawi experience wibang la kanala kai area khane chena Mirinsing ning han ngai pa ba no we our chamli in addition he cleared gate exam also graduate aptitude test in engineering chena ana UPSC geologist exam or gate exam the exam in general jausne masters ko khuilaga exam ka thai li ka tha da tha ka tha da prepare sa ka ji ka tha ya we na khang na ngom se
Razang gaya na tum sakurili iwi shongay na ringapa salam milushita leng. Amay horting na indoti samyere I IIT ISM na MSc Tech kupsangye. IIT ISM li 3 years course na MSc Tech ta zatchine Master of Science in Technology na. Dechili tumli applied geology na ngurumlaka applied geology li tumli general geology besides general geology li tumli subject stragatam jite. For example, petroleum exploration, dihitung mineral beneficiation, dihitung surveying, mining mining when relates sa laga surveying with sang laga itum extra 5-6 papers segi extra in rata ajni. Jena thada iwi experience MSc BSc when hopog laga MSc nang da ka hangke. Ina BSc tam da le ka IIT GEM hi thangai lak lung phalung vejine second semester third semester win IIT li master sangai keji bahi the English up ki thai jen geology wa khui laka GEM ba tha win of GEM hi first attempt le mak mung tham ne jen university or IIT kham thalam sam but BSc second or third yearly IIT we Indian Institute of Technology ISM Dhanbati IIT lima zangrang sai IIT GEM lima zangrang sai jena Indian School of Mines entrance exam the 2016-17 we along jili thai jiwa tha jili ISM li samang ga jine jena ISM jili masters wivang 2017 ni enroll sala 2017 we na MSc ho po ga jine IIT li katam we kan khana gji amoi hoting la tam sai chi Leimiwon la tam sai the IIT li tat sang katam we exposure kala environment te hangai itum nang thada katam ga shisong la extra curricular activities li involve sa gji sala la the sa pai la kai che na MSc tamama la ka itum li industry li expose sai besides that in a research li ning sang tran research li la pai for example iwi first year li BHU Banaras Hindu University li under Professor Chalapati Rao li internship basai chibajilar training akang sada summer training basai and then the next summer pazili 2019 summer li na ONGC Jorhat li petroleum oil exploration wibang ONGC Jorhat li kachang khani sa training sangsai chithai the university itna reputed university li gazang tranba itum hibahi training or industry exposure or research exposure hi compulsory sai university na chu credit lang bala ka itum hi training sa pungra chitha tue da itum ni exposure im thame khare itum mi basic ho pa ji ba jin na sai because itum na sawagi gi hi tada for example na industry li zanga ka industry le expose sami na research li zanga ka research le expose sami ja da sa da itum na masters ku kai wi li masters ku bai la ki sa ga phara ka la ji itum ni MSc we ne itum ni expose sami da choose ka satran itum na next step plan A B ge chem tran chin ring phame la ga chita da expose sami da itum we batch mapping or itum tamagi ji ping itum sawagi ji ping li tra ka chon mi iwi UPSC we exam journey va it's a very long journey MSc tamama la ka 3 years course li GSI thara ga jiba ningli lei saplong ji da thwe the MSc first year when previous year's paper he especially in a focus ka sai firstly syllabus tiny inqui syllabus 2017 yes 2017-18 when a syllabus ka the trend na che le 2010 win hopog question ka thada ngahan de le ji ba hi syllabus li mathala ga ni laka previous years zingum through shini wi hi mathala ga ne discuss sala ka in a lyric patran chi thada papai me chu ye no first semester wa ka tran for example ituli tam gi stay hi petrology jose petrology ba ka tran ba in a previous years syllabus yang gai tran ba previous years in a previous years question in a syllabus yang gai tran ba in a class wa jang sala la okay UPSC pattern hi thal mo ti thai ga question hi thada prepare sara answer hi thada prepare sara ikla ta question cham ki laga ada answer hi 5 marks with thada han kara 15 marks with thada han kara 30 marks with thada han kara ji ba hi the first semester when evening poke similar situation in a second semester wa katran library li like pa atamli itum son of itumli kind of managishila meaning ne but thada ili hange na hi question hi prepare salaka na not shamda kle ki sabai easy kle semester le mang han mare kana hi shamda atam shiman bai atam shivam me tala hange but at the end in a zingum gutu malum jili in a masters li Shamgai notes katitio first semester we syllabus li based salaka UPSC we question li syllabus salaka syllabally based salaka previous years we question li based salaka notes katitio Shamgai 3 years in master ba ko believe notes ti tra kai sai in a ningli notebook in a diary lo ko shem hi diary through shni ba kai ada katitio shamkui economic geology metede shamkui stratigraphy metede shamkui petrology metede shamkui petrology, sedimentary, igneous, metamorphic chewing. The topic we say right ran. Final year Vagata ran, I don't need extra study. In a final yearly exam at our UPSC main 2020 way, October, November main written exam he. I don't need extra, I don't read extra books. Textbook ang refer masalwi man. In a Shamgai notes ko tong bujiwe refer sa man kapi ko man jena. In a note Shamgai bas ni drug helps awe then ada in a hang kangai ba it to me exam thau raise ka preparation mangali preparation gishem tarkar sala ke similar situation with gate eva gate wa ning sang lai la thalo na thamane ka tada exam preparation ge ji river exam thau raise ka tagar ma ga sa mang han phungi ge ji question tada ngawad la yang khang han pai sere but still the tagar masagi jiba trag refer sala tagar samni the qui ta the gate ba tha ji le ina ka pa hi gate ling han gai formula ka tong geology li based sala ka quantitative in numbers in han gai question tong in formula bin je ka pi shokwi la ga I haiser ge ji la haiser la ga formula ji la pura phum ta ser ge ji ne ina phum ga shaben nang da I by heart in the formula je phum gi sao the question formula bi je phum gi sir gai tran ar ma theory jing pa la question solve ung sar previous year solve ung sal if get wrong preparation drama samne but I think I score around 47 48 something the gate will qualify say ST we cut off it comes to 20 21 something like that general cut off katai is the the clear sakwi gate list the clear sakwi UPSC list the clear sakwi prelims UPSC prelims fagatava chiva itum the first prelims katane UPSC we yang ichi GSI we sa thwe the prepare sa college baji trak mahang thei thure but still the general studies baji updated in le shone Indian polity ka ba da yang pungi ji yang da yang jiga syllabus ji 2018-19 when syllabus change sar ga ji we not ba da samang thwe de yang ena the prelims baji la da tada GK tada general sala kai jiga GSI we prelims ba UPSC civil service with tada khang han mang han itu matam ni ya generalized sala kai na direct question ni khang han ni that way the itu mi first experience la sat wi je the itu mi cut off la kete na mang out of 100 likte na mang like 10 11 12 tik tha la cut off na sa ji that way tada ji atam ji tada first attempt la sat wi the prelims pa jeba GK ka pa khui current affairs ka pa la ka hada iwi general knowledge pa jile update sa kilo ga thada ba ka thane prelims sa the clear sa khui mains sa the clear sa khui interview we were hada kharnau ping han khui issue GSI listen hai ka sa ping or iwi seniors ping iwi college with seniors ping ISM with seniors ping hada discuss la ka itumi dissertation ka thawi bongli iwi training sa ka hai iwi internship sa ka bing hada sa pi la ka preparation sa la ka interview ji khaba la ke chi tha la ka hada first attempt li ka shop ne in a UPSC ka shop ji first third year li ka shop ne 6 semester li prelim shop ka ni ji ya in a covid rata la ka October li mains pa thakwi in the next year April li interviewed china da mi kui la ga da magazine ni iwi UPSC journey va chini in share
Mirinsing now we experience a tissue da thalake na ngan ka mi da kle jwang ning shi an hang ka thada clear sa khuye looks very easy, right? Sounds very easy ka na thada da tui gang ji that was an firstly gang li third year li thagi ji first year in prepare sa wi ji na da it's a lot of preparation at the gang da success ka ji yang ghali ba paina ye, but the struggle we go through, it is a lot in our experience na just the share sa mi da ke jwang ning shi ari tum na Miss Leimiwon wen ang nalishit se ali na ngan ngai ba ala awi master system da le ka ala exam chung clear sa kai ne ala gate the clear sa ye masters first year tam le ka net the clear sa ye ga awi net clear sa jin ang so da la assistant professor Ramlal Anand College di jiwang jui thrui na sam phang ne ji clear sa kai with apply sa pa hogi da criteria sa hogi da then awi master system ni or in graduation ulang lagaw after graduation ala jam clear exam ne that's how she got into IIT then exam clear sa ka ni ka da prepare sa itum na da clipping ni ka da prepare sa ka fa re ji he khang ni no
Ari Mirinsing we jeng na laga ka inspire sa le plus tada andala prepare sara kai ji almost tada raiba bam ni jiga iwa IIT li tam ngai ji I geology khuilaga tada wachili watam ra ga ji ningwa mazang samni ka in IIT li tam ngai ji high school when tada tam ngai ji pa hiwa lay hene ka IIT li 12 when wazang or after graduation 12 when mazang ra ka after graduation wazang ra ji wa ning wal lay jin je high school line tada prepare sara hai ne mentally jina geology wa khui laga I graduation ni geology khui maman laga graduation 6 semester ka le laga hi jam je wa tha ye IIT jam je the IIT we exam tha gi ji hi sak na da la phaning sa ye ka da prepare samaman laga Ari Mirinsing hang hai the previous year's question paper solve some man the prepare sa kai they in you ari honai na you tam naw le la hang jili syllabus pa chim thala kai ni yangao plus you we in a gem thare ge ju in a graduation tam da le la first semester in a the prepare sa ka hai ne ji bai the hang ji ari kujung ga jai at the last moment prepare sajin ka hibahi hitada masala no no first semester he sara ga ji target hi laye ka ba hog phok chen na da prepare sama man kai ja chen da in clear sa kai which lila we own professors pendant and la hang da atum lila share ka sala lay first semester in IIT jam ma ba tharang la ga hi first semester when hobok la ka 6 semester hopok thar safi itum jam exam ka thaja chen 6 semester and gang the we syllabus cover sai plus ojan na da thangji da tammi da klei note sim thala gain high laga ji chen prepare sai chen it was like I've started preparation for jam that since semester 1 graduation ya da je IIT jam we ne ka in net pa hi ka tha ka jaka jam ma ka tha tam ne just geology ne ka net ka tha tam it's more challenging net hi idum geology mangai na matham it's net in earth sciences jawbida net geology plus atmospheric sciences la razange ocean sciences la razange jena he the master ba khai dam le ocean sciences na branch mutai da bao atmospheric sciences in a branch mutai da bao da je ba sala ke je da hi ko ong hi or plus thada itum planetary science thada net ka hi je ka geology wi net hi clear sara je ka wa earth science clear sara je ka subject mati hi ka pa ka thane hi pa la ka clear sa gi ne je da arang Mirinsing la mention sai re dum IITs li wag zang adam chu than exposure lam thamai ring thamai ji ji da ila ji mayanga ye jo point ji li focus sang ye I master sat le laga hi first year thai laga second year makarang ga hi net plus GRF hi pa hi clear sa hai ne hi ka tha clear sa ka jaga geology pa hi wa mai syllabus thatai thum class le notes la semba pa me ing dai da ari 10 years question paper previous years question paper hi refer sa laga hi we na ta prepare la sa pa me ka ili mathala kai na backup ka sai ka ha ka ji I we masters first year kupsang thai la ka second year makarang ka ji summer vacation le Indian Space Research Organization is really a 2 months training summer internship training je ba hui hi na hi le ba hui hi study of ocean sciences ta cyclone memoram ni batam the cyclone memoram ni dam ka ocean circulation ocean sciences si thai plungin jen the gg la kha pa how ocean sciences study of ocean sciences through remote sensing approach using graphical programming jini je jen the subject tum combine sa programming na zang remote sensing na zang plus ocean sciences that jen ocean sciences si phaptar ka atmospheric circulation the atmosphere we la phapta phungra je da tada jili training adam jili ji pamaman laga jili internship samman laga net ji bak thane jen jin tra ka pusam bijine knowledge pa jang exam je clear sa je then geology we mangning geology ba yi tamaman tada ji we jila prepare samaman plus ocean sciences by practically in the training jili basat leo jogi the chinatra ka pusam bijne ka the bottom line is preparation itumna aka exam aka thare jilala aka sare jilala prior preparation him thala kai na lein sanga ye plus previous year's question paper or question pattern jikata da cheitale or question pattern question pa hi or topic pa hi chingum hitran hi hing hanai re awi frequency ba je ba la ka thedar kar sai en je ba je matala ga na no study technique him thala ga le hadam jitran ba any exam that clear sa gi je masap ne ji ba hi ta hangai ni share
Leimiwon na we graduation we no book daga masters daga we exam clear ga sa we journey ji thumi phe ga ji bang ning shi ana jon thang issue we ukhuli career guidance program ji na we success story share ga sa ji itung gu chung kan nang na hwe re inspiring sa na ye in kai nang ji ba ya avra kan na we na ngala we ani we discussion jang au ne nong la ni he ta dang ji sa ni miss Leimiwon we success story jing na je na na de le ga pa ngai ji pa ning ji lai kya ga pa phok ka chot tao jo chot ji ran de lai ka ba ye ka inspire sa de le ye ka inspire ge ji he aring na ko le ka shiman gai chimning la na ko gai ding la na me le shit lo in hang gai ta the link our success story with link china are we video with description in the sang me sare chena are ishina question he in a Somiyur jing han le okay anathang we geology ka tha da thai free ka tha da sha phok ka ji hang me re ara and geology we admission experience jiga admission experience ka ji tharan ara CUET raw ga experience lo khang te ro ko ka ina we nang na ngai ba wi thumi itum gutung na geology tamdak te hi da kha fraktala ke ne jos ne ra khui ga chung jit na je na we experience nang na ngai jina ne ka da ra khui ne ka admission khui ga wi ne an geology ka tami ka da chat le ne le jing na ngai ne
itung batch level CUT mtha samne je the you admission saw in a geology career the directly apply sai St. Anthony's le the sambang hawi geology subject is interesting sai the itung the shokai jilatam gariri wilatam gar relate sang ro kai the iwang subject is interesting sa kai the kui
Somiyur na we question ji short salak kina mashungri kini ngan ka mi kai jiwang ni share ara now we move on issuing chai Mr. Chinaoshang kashung hi PSU pikasang wa tsara kai ne ka athang we GSI ka thai ne ka tha te yo ka hili ka tha da wa changra ka hi work experience ne ka te now Fondam room yo ta ka tong hi room la ka nga nau ka le jena tam hi ani mi te ne
Ari ina public sector li osa tak ne jena public sector hili rachang le jika option khni le akana true gate pasalaka rachang pai or mening nana true experience in la rachang pai jena ari honwa kujungja public sector liwa arwa experience li prefer saita jena experience hi kanai laga katha da experience hi tan rakle jika firstly itna private consultancy li ot salaka software kala technical background si knowledge le leka rajang kai thumang ba advantage track le leka atuna chili preference le me jena public sector li ot sari jika itum hi firstly experience private sector li experience le leka itum software as an example ArcGIS katha la Serpec data mines katha hi experience le leka rajang kai itumang ba track le leka public sector ina GSI hi itumi difference wa katha le jika itumi wa profit making companies hawe jena itumna company na earn salaka kya ka samang na chui thiru itumi company hi run ka sane jena itumi hi it's not fully dependent to the government itumi own thada itumi profit earn sa gulga run ka sa company side itumi it's a very tough job like itumi work pressure la chungmeye comparing to the GSI or other companies wang sai chikai itumi ba itumna profit earn sagi jomo jena itum target ngabai chingkum mui jena ji memba shangka itum lila chui chiru da itum la performance we rating chiru da itum la pressure chungmei da mi jena ji it's very tough job like a public sector he my package in one way mathai ka it's depend on your profit making no profit making mathaka no is kilala salary package time ita rating with you time ita rai itu public sector li mini ratna maratna ta rai china itu he we achieve ta itu salary package la ngating ita rai laga public sector we out kasai we advantage akanaba na he saka as an we company li compare saka all over India li na we OT sasam pangrai changes like geologically la na he katonga in different types of commodities la explore sa kala experience sa by chances le china public sector hila one of the best company ne itumi hot khanawi kala itumi determination we tung ni le china hila halak hai company akhne tel hila encourage sangai chena sakai lekha natumna hili ka thada changrale chika p MSc kukai withili ki thalaka changa pai le muningkha nana MSc kubai laka private consultancy or any organization ni 2 years experience lekha tuli atum na recruitment sok tum ni chili ra chang bai i khni hi le ta hangai la ka he nang samoge nishta ke
Chinaoshang le ning shimi de le ana PSU lo atsam man daga an itum na khi thei ka targa sara gi ning thala ke nang ni gai ji ga ji ba ba I mag sa ina PSU wi alung gi ta thei ra jin an sam man da gi tum ni ta ta hang mi de kle la ga ta da ba jang ra ka ta da sa ka pa re ji hang mi de kle ji bang ni she re ari na Mirinsing le question ngan le okay ina ngan ngai pa ba yari GSI li zang de kle ne jena GSI li khare na zangai sa phung ka ta huila ke na phning khu le ga zangai ji ka naga khare na zangai sa ka zangai le ga ra zangai wi ring pha or ra zangai le ga ot ka sa wi ring pha khare li phning ka sai na te hang la ga ji work ari work experience tam sang kham sa rang nei ka na ari jingma ka khni sara ka work experience ta itum na ngai de ne jena ana tam kha khmi no
oh ning share ili GSI we experience hang lo je ka thada hang gai thada I MSc katam we na I hi company li zangai lat kai ba ma thamani public sector undertakings li or BSU li the otsara kajibahi iwi ning li tra kam lem ne because public sector undertakings being he they are limited to certain extent in a sense if you go for ONGC jeka the oil exploration sale jeka the iron ore thali bichung mai sa the exploration ka samong ni GSI li zanga ka exposure hi mathame kajibahi ada iwi ningli thei go khuile chena iba GSI li zanga ka iwi ot ka samong iwi ada ikla tawi experience ba hi GSI li zanga ka exposure mathame marawi kaji ba hi phani li GSI zangai le saplo ne chena ada MSc kupla ka ada UPSC thala ka GSI li zangai I 2022 we January li I training wivang Geological Survey of India Training Institute Hyderabad report sai January 19th hang I join ka sa de ji join sai la ka itumli thada exposure ka sa jira firstly itumli orientation module lain sai firstly itumli for example thada trakatam stay personality we matangli itumwi scientific research ka thada sara notes ka thada prepare sara reports ka thada gapira itumwi table manners ka thada leira officers pingli ka thada zegra chui tungli itumli ayar we na mi hora la ka itumli thada extra trakatam jithe han chui na itumchi module ji ka sa ga utili chui tili ba itumli full hi ka chung ka mai field experience we wang itumli training module ji ho sar ga chine ili first training hi ili Rajasthan with Jawarli Juhoye field training center do hoye Jawar field training center jili tum almost more than 1 month around 45 days ago tum jili training juho jili tum mineral exploration we especially Hindustan Zinc Limited Pashina jili exploration sadakli copper we zinc we base metal we exploration sadakli tum jili exploration we wa mineral exploration jili exposure sai mapping la kyo ga tam jithe structural mapping la mineral exploration le chiba di focus sal ka itum li tam jithe chuwe na itum li Shillong li chuhong la ka northeast region we Himalayan region we syntaxal Himalayas we itum li hiwi geology le expose sai itum li Meghalaya with geology chena itum li Arunachal with geology Mayodhya ophelite ka thai le expose sami landslide studies la Arunachal itum li expose sai chuwe na itum li tada details ha da matalwi ke but itumli Jharkhand li Gujuli sedimentary wang sai chen Chitradurga li itumli mineral exploration mapping wang wasai geochemical mapping wang wasai chen itumli TI li training institute li ung jen itumli petrology remote sensing mineral targeting da thawi itumli chibaji hands on training musa ga chini ta de itumli ka chu ho ga ji ara Dehradun win Shangsung laga Chitradurga Jharkhand Shillong Chena Raipur Central India Western region li Rajasthan de itumli 11 months si training wang chu ho ga jini in a GSI ma zangra lanka he had the training samang re kajila mapaning samane. As it is said, geology akahi fully equipped salake, geology akahi, geologists akahi, geology hili mathalai ne thela ke jai kava GSI li training kuilo the hang that is mushung la ke the kui, because we are exposed to almost all the terrains in India. Jida thwe the in a mangali paning ka sai na iwi training wa ka zang diba iwi training ba in a tada chong me khar da le sai na paning ka sai na yang chung me khar da tam kui chiwe na itum training kup sai la ka December date 10 li tum li training institute Hyderabad when itum relief sai ili first posting ni Chennai li news ne Chennai li ta ga jena, that's the, you know, that's like very different situation what we learned in the field. Field itumli training is atam trang itumli very idle place where the structure is exposed. For example, isoclinal fold, closed salagai tight fold, or for example, any structure, sedimentary structures lala, or metamorphic terrain itumli exposed. Chipachi itumna field ikathenava in our GSI lisang like we field season program sing katran ma te ngai, because itumni training is just apom jili sam bangai da kamta ji bang stay ne in our field design mapping design idle sala ga kalam sam bang ne I hardly get very good structures, I hardly get very good exposures, I hardly get good exposures of mineralization sam bang shilake jena thada training li itumni tam stay ga ji ka thada apply salaka. For example, ka thada locate sara, ka thada bedding planes, ka thada para, ka thada itumi structures, ka thada mapping sara, ka ji itumi training li tamai sao da chiwi baji apply sala ka chang satran itumi mapping sala la exploration sala da tra ka kanai, but the ideal situation baji ban clever malay li mane chila da sa da ERU hi Tamil Nadu state project li FSP sing la ka goal exploration side 2023 and 22 and 23 goal exploration side, especially in the Dharmapuri share zone hili kasane chiwi project kup sangai re report la circulate side report submit side. That's my first project chimi sangai ra jena ka khani last 23 and 24 hili iron ore in gold molybdenum base metal we kasa la ka chilo kup sangai ra report preparation is underway, submission like middle of the year this submission sara jada sada hada GSI league saga ji experience strong samang because like apamakli as for example mapping wagai ji I never go back to that second place twice, only if I have to go and collect samples again itum sampling and queuing wasa sample here collect sara ka ju shoot jada sada ada thanga mapping wasara apam khangte la aka expose wasa luira chida thwe da hada itumi sada the yao ku thui jira ka itumi thira the expose ka sa sam ga pang ka phungli or even apam ka thar li expose ka sa GSI ki jang gen experience tra samange you get to meet a lot of good people na ling chon kami na we laborers rala na we driver rala na ling chon kami mi tra ka li interaction ka sa sam bange feel li gazali atum ram nau bing la satra ka sam bange forest guard li deal ka sa. For example, district forest officer li wasam phang lagai tum exploration sagi gijine gijui chitha will occur jan masai or district administration will occur jan sai chida sa da itum GSI itum never yes itum never like yes we just do field work the paning salapai, but we are exposed to almost everything from public administration to the forest officers to the laborers chain dang the manage kasaje tha the micromanagement la rata ajine chini na the experience sao khui jai ka ba itumi kering krak lila just in a mathelak rang jimya ka laborers pa hili I manage pa sai gis dala ali ka thada manage kar sara kala gijin dang da tamage dala driver li ka thada manage sara office li ung jen administration wi pongli bill wi maramli submission wi maramli reimbursement wi maramli recoup ka sao maramli itumi office work la publicly deal ka salin la ka tioen hopok la ka ka shung da yang chik tha we experience sam bhangi i wang GSI li zang ka kathar sai, but you wang phala ke kui jen like itumi personality development wang la aka ko wang la GSI le gizang ki very fortunate itumi perks chu wang la tolop chu wang la da thala ke level 10 in hope okay allowances the same allowances matlain some hange di atam we government revise sabi China had I really encourage people who are really interested in exposing to different terrains in India li the geological terrain hili expose sangaya ka hikta only sangaya ka every expertization of geology from petrology to remote sensing thada itumi mineral exploration economic geology ka only expose ka sasam bange China had GSI hi ka zang hi eva thada arivang i satisfy sala case ba hi hangai ning share
Mirinsing na we work experience la na arin na tangda tamkhui gai itu ni share sak mi wang ni shi ni jiao jing nam man de ka geology core geology kam tu ye de yi ji ila geology tam sai ka ila I struggle at some point jiba geology meaning na yi water resource management or hydrogeology or oceanography lot society yi ka ta tu ye ne geology na yi wang da it was kaga third na huye and for people in general ka geology zang na ji ji pai hi ne ka geology interest sa la kai ping wang wa tong la kai chung ga zang de le re je na mirin sing ni shi ya ni sa de share sa mi de ke ji wa ara shi na kana wa question kala kana wa tam hi miss Leimiwon ni mi se je na question hi everyone he kata kala jika class 12 result la shock ki jere class 10 la kale ga shock re he career kali wao si kisao shi ta kham chuka tamne ya tam mitran mi akhana geology khunga de le jas ta ga geology khunga ka rough sala ke na detail sa na dam chila da rough sala ke na manipur likali tampai north east likali tampai india likali tampai or ayar likali tampai jibai da rough sala ke ne hi khang mi do
Itong geology subject hi kadai physics chemistry kita tada tharlak jamlak hai masata da array tada still colleges struggle la maklai lai kapai ka array hi geology wi importance min realize hamaman la hi struggle la develop sa establish hamaman da department here China after 12 BSc honors geology sanga ye cover itum state na hokse Manipur na hokse Manipur li tam ngai je cover DMD la le Manipur University li masters la sabai da le juwen Shillong li la are itum Somiyur shai za li pam da le and St Anthony's li sada khaine ji li la Shillong li la sabai itum Mizoram University li la le China Guwahati li ka cover are Cotton College hi thalake Cotton College when wing son of being it my IIT study something the clipping or array research li tada itum sang room da clipping here atum background he mathala ke fundamentals mathala ke then Cotton College geology department Cotton College hi la the mathala le then array Guwahati mang living the Deshpur University tada jilla le Sikkim li la le ये तुम नोटिस ला लेबा ले कब तक है ने का कली खता काय खना दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी ले कांगाई साखबा CUET ji thalaga ju score at shooter score he kham thage jin jena idum aruri hi Delhi University colleges ka daily la thada sabas establish wa samu manore ka aruri thada aruri with that the sign of colleges khani le Jena Delhi University well only 90 colleges later 90 colleges wing jali khanimang offer khani akana Hansraj akana Ramlalanan College jin Hansraj in a North campus season Ramlalanan College in a South campus season the Hansraj liver ashu department he malemni jene main department university main department North campus class thada jili khuimi the full-fledged department by Ramlalanan College li chen na nutum na GPC honors chi rasangai ka ba chili admission kumi bai re itum na ari Uttarakhand li lam thala ke Uttarakhand Kumaon University da la laye are universities kadai state kadai tada apam kadai lila lay kape are India li more than 1000 universities ka CUET li tada asugum participate sa tagle more than tada 200 universities na participate sa tagle kai ka universities kai ka na ba CUET la participate sa ye ka CUET we score na la katam na wi khui at my own the merit based la or at my own exam la nuwala la ta kuila le papam when a CUT when razam raja cover as far as this admission process is concerned the university liquid sangai the university mangning ne kai na south chong gata tam ji trans south chong la universities khamtata colleges khamtata tra le in a ila goa wena graduation he sagupi ne jena kwali la ina sakyo gi da ina so wala mning ne ka da fundamentals wang wa thala ke kwali colleges khani le Tembe College of Arts and Science jena college akabaji ari ami map ni ture ka da khani le agana north kwali agana south kwali da ji khani le jena ari Karnataka lila Kamthale the Pondicherry University la mathala ke BSc sangaila or master sangaila the jilla mathala ke PhU ka thala le are Uttar Pradesh le the idum colleges vatra ka le kan no way colleges na college ning ka jang pa jini wazang ra ja ka wa no CUT score pa him tha pung re chen na he who attitude colleges na ning ka jang pa he top colleges ke sam bang re chu chile masters liba IITs li lawazam bai or other central universities they kape they say region at the chila lawazam maman bai
Leimiwon na short salakina geologically tampai rek ji hang kai jwang ni shi he details salakina mutri se ji ga hiwa it's going to take a lot of time athang hang gai ta te ishina ji hi specific salakina geology ni focus sa gai ni in the episodes to come we will try to focus on other areas also Jina viewers ping na higata areasly concentrate sang sangai jile ka kang you know we will try to put efforts and we will try to cover those areas also kala just to pung yang da just to say shiar pung khada ka tai jere 11 p.m. yang the hang da kle pa ba otla sang lok se rao ta we find weekend ka lang zana how weekdays ka lang zana how weekend nga shun ji ka lang zar khami tha ya jeni shin na ya tamitaran discussion ni ka se de invite sa ji taran razang mi dakle ashimati di ni shnai re ishina effort mi dakle hi na dakle na thumpin na kate na mang na khil chi katong sar nu jang ngai areas katong say like tam dak le katong na lon sam phang ne le ga sa katong na la matong ne chi da sa da ishi geology li itum na geology tam no geology ka pha khang ne in the sense the geology katam katong na lon sam phang re what we're trying to say is geology ratam aka the chances to get job at certain fields hanga acha hangai pingjang chini chances le tishna information kami ka sani chini information ni gather sa gai ping na thum la hi areas liwa tamngai de aka issue we members ping ila discussamilo we are ready to guide you kala jenang so da we are a very neat group a closely knit group yeah itum na ka thing of sare for example as a discussion in razang dakle Miss Somiyur I have never met her. Ajna ni first exactly first katene. We have WhatsApp conversation some 1.5 years back. The context that's how I came to know her. And then kakani Mirinsing. I had never met him, for a long time. Kay tum social media na connect le the kasangay say. Jena li talaki nagteva atangang kay tata inter IIT sports meet Kharagpur li katayne jinisam upang and Leimiwon I was with her. We were studying together in IIT Bhubaneswar. Kajumamang ni bitum tilakang samne and Chinaoshang. Yeah, aming BSU ni otsai ji parentaire saye. The first time I met him was in last year's career guidance program. The issue group Geosciences issue group we are closely knit, like I said. Itum magtaping itum connection ling rock like itum katong rock Likewise, ari itum subject ratam ngay the clipping. We may not know you, or you may not know us ka na tam na ka protsamino. We will try to guide you. Like meantime, sot now lila information jiming rock say. And to those who are in their class 10 in 12 thagay ari thai like result ngaray the clipping. If you want to take up geology, please do so. Like high school tam the clipping. Tam ngay the please go ahead. Tam vary nam chuman. It's very interesting, if you talk about geology. We cover earth, ocean, climate. The thing very don't know ngay ne. Jai daily research lila research mom tuiture. Ka research lila sak bai ka chungale. Jai da natum ne we seriously interest le ka tam milo. Kala itum lila reach out samilo. Jibaba, we may not be able to know you, but from our side we are trying to reach to you so that you can contact us. Thank you all the viewers for watching this episode. Issued discussion hindi gurunda yang midak lejwang ning siye kanaw episode lisang pang no say katong di good morning or day or whatever. Katong di kamahay to make sure mayang sarin.